This is your extreme weather outlook for this Friday, December 6th. I'm meteorologist Daniel Kaiser. We are watching some snow across the Northeast as we go throughout your Friday. We're also watching a storm approach the West Coast, bringing some heavy rain and snow, especially into northern California and the Sierra. And then we do have the coldest air of the season so far moving into the upper Midwest next week. But first, we'll start you off in the Northeast, where we do have an area of low pressure quickly moving east as we go throughout the day today, bringing some snow along with it. Portions of New York State into western Massachusetts could see a good 3 to 5 inches of snow as the system does move on through, but we could see about a half an inch of snow or so for areas like Portland, Boston, Buffalo, down towards Erie through 7 p.m. on Sunday. Meanwhile, we are also watching a system moving into the west coast. We can see rain and snow chances increase as we go towards Friday night and into the day on Saturday out west with this system. In Seattle and Portland, we could see between about 1/4 and 1/2 inch of rain as we go throughout the next few days. Meanwhile, in Jackson, they could see just over 8 inches of snow. Meanwhile, we do also have some flood watches in place north of San Francisco in the Kincaid fire burn scar. This area could see 2 to 4 inches of rain through Saturday morning alone, with the potential through the weekend of over 2.5 inches of rain up in Redding. Meanwhile, we will also be watching the snow, especially into the Sierra, where we could see feet of snow. Meanwhile, up in Mount Shasta, they could see over 90 inches of snow over the next few days. Meanwhile, we have some of the coldest air of the season so far moving into the upper Midwest as we head into next week. 52 in St. Louis on Monday, 17 in the Twin Cities, but look at that, 2 for a high in the Twin Cities on Tuesday, and there's the potential they may not make it above 0 by Wednesday.